Are you struggling to manage your time effectively while working on projects? Introducing Clockify, the most popular free time tracker for developers. With Clockify, tracking your time is super simple and intuitive. Just click to start the timer or add time manually. Seamlessly track time within tools like Trello, Jira, or Github. Gain valuable insights through colorful visual reports. Identify where your time goes and improve your productivity. Plus, manage tasks effortlessly. Assign them to team members and monitor progress with detailed charts. Clockify stands out with its zero-cost model, allowing unlimited access for teams without hidden fees. Don't wait. Start tracking your time with Clockify today, and watch your productivity soar.